Hey guys, this is Anthony Morganti. I am MrPhotographer.com. Many of you know that I'm an affiliate for many different companies, and being an affiliate, I benefit financially. You click on one of those links for my affiliates and purchase their product or service, and I will make a commission. Well, starting today and moving forward, I want to use my platform to promote things where I won't make any money. Just these things I think will benefit photographers and the photographic community in general. Today I want to talk about SDN, the Social Documentary Network, socialdocumentary.net. There you'll find a lot of different photo essays in the vein of Life magazine. Those of you familiar with Life magazine know that in the past they brought us stories about civil rights, civil disobedience, war, poverty, from all over the globe. And Social Documentary Network does the same thing. It's just online. So I'm asking you to go to the Social Documentary Network. I'll have a link to them in the description below this video and join. It's free to join and take a look at all the different photo essays they have there. Now, because it's free to join, you may be wondering, how do they make any money? Well, if you are a photographer and you have a story told in photographs, you could upload it to the Social Documentary Network. And for a very nominal fee, you could have that up there for a year. It's something like 92 cents a frame, so it's very, very cheap. Another way they make money is they have a magazine that is published twice a year. It's called Zeke. And through this magazine, you'll find more stories told through the lens of the photographers from all over the world. In the description below this video, there'll be a link to Zeke magazine, and also you could save $2 on your subscription as well. So please join me in supporting SDN, the Social Documentary Network, and Zeke magazine.